supernatural things, magic and sorcery, they're back. From out of the gloom stalk your worst nightmares. Ghouls, zombies, werewolves, vampires. You can't be sure what lurks out there in the darkness of night.
We're the Darkstalkers!
Pyron, intergalactic collector of planets, wants the Earth, and he's going to get it even if he has to wake the undead. He summons Dimitri, Lord of the Vampires, to launch a reign of terror, to release a plague of monsters and bring humans to their knees. But other night warriors are on the prowl. Monstrous, awesome contenders with bizarre fighting powers. Immortal creatures locked in battle to decide the fate of the world. It's enough to make your blood run cold.
That's it, Harry. Just a few more feet.
You okay? You've been saying just a few more feet for the last hour!
Look at that view. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah, great. I'll buy a postcard when we get back to the trading post. What are we doing here? Isn't there like a Darkstalker somewhere who needs his butt kicked?
We are here to work on your wilderness and survival skills. If you're gonna fight evil, you gotta be prepared.
Isn't that what magic is for? To get you where you want to go? And get you what you want? I should be studying magic, not playing Daniel Boone.
No, Harry. Those who depend only on magic are changed by it. It starts with the man using the magic, but ends with the magic using the man. If you are to fight evil, you must train the whole man.
Obi-Wan Felicia. Whoa! Now what?
Now, down.
Down is easy.
Harry, that's cheating.
Harry, look out! Harry! Felicia! Let go of me!
I don't think so. You wish to learn magic? Well, I shall teach you magic.
Darkstalkers will return. And now, back to Darkstalkers.
Next time I fly British Air. Come along, me young genius. Sleep tight, wise guy. You're going to need it. I'm getting too old for this.
John, I need your help.
Huh. Pretty creepy excuse for a bed and breakfast. I suppose room service is out of the question. Hey, let me out of here! Well, at least give me coffee and a Danish. Hey! Hey!
You are going nowhere, so learn to behave yourself.
Hey, I can do magic too, you know.
Tuh, is that what you call it, laddie?
You asked for it, Daddy.
I don't have time for this. I am the descendant of Morgan Le Fay. You are the descendant of Merlin. I need your magic to unlock a puzzle, one that will give me ultimate power. And when I have the power, even Pyron will answer to me. If you survive, I'll make you my pupil. If not, well, I guess life just isn't fair.
Are we getting close? We have to find Harry before Morgan.
Felicia, you got me into this to track down Morgan. So, let me track down Morgan.
How? We're in the middle of nowhere.
Not when you can see what I see. Ley lines. Lines of ancient magic. Energy that still cover these islands. We follow them as they join and grow stronger. Where most of them come together, there we'll find Morgan.
And Harry.
And Harry. Come on, then. Next, I'll show you what weeds and bugs to eat.
Oh, gross.
To learn the ancient ways of sorcery, you must give yourself over completely. You must do everything I say.
Whatever.
Well, take that as a yes. Harry, you must see the magic, the ley lines. Watch. Cool. Now, repeat after me. Frango terra.
Frango terra.
Contamino calum.
Contamino calum.
Sindo aqua.
Sindo aqua.
Vaciosicitas.
Vaciosicitas.
Look!
Come on, hurry!
There it is, Harry. Warlock Haven.
Harry! Harry! It's me, Felicia! What are you doing? Don't you know that she's evil? She's strong. She'll teach me. You are weak.
I can't!
Good, Harry. Come on.
Harry, no!
Oh, Harry.
Darkstalkers will return. And now, back to Darkstalkers.
understand it. I can't believe it. Ugh. I don't care how powerful a sorceress Morgan is. I can't believe that Harry has joined the Darkstalkers. I know him too well, John. Harry doesn't have an evil bone in his body. John? John? Where are you?
Thank goodness for the tourist trade. Felicia, here, put these on.
You know, I've never used one of these.
You'll be fine.
Thank you, John. You've done this before?
Before? A skin diving werewolf? I don't think so.
Great. Just great.
We've done it, Harry! All of the power, all of the riches of the earth will be ours!
Yeah?
Anything you want!
How about dry feet?
Ugh, you'll have to think bigger, Harry. But first, we have to call my army.
Frogmen?
No, the finest warriors of ancient Scotland!
I hope they can swim.
Come on! All together now. Appello Metallum Terra!
Appello Metallum Terra! Appello Corpus Terra! Appello Corpus Terra!
See? I told you, Morgan can't breathe underwater any better than we can.
John, listen.
Appello Sanguis Terra!
Appello Sanguis Terra!
That's Harry!
And Morgan, come on.
Exorior et Interficio!
Exterior et Interficio! Morgan, I gotta go to the bathroom.
Silence! It begins.
It's Harry! What language is that?
It's Latin. Wait, something's happening.
Isn't he a little bit old to be a soldier?
He is not old, Harry. He is immortal. Watch.
His armor stinks.
It's the best I could do on such short notice. You can lick yourself off later, pussycat.
Watch it, wise guy.
Now we shall see who is the better general. This is only the beginning. With the power of this place and you, Harry, I shall raise an army of 1 billion warriors. Not even Pyron will be able to stand against me. I'll make Dimitri my houseboy.
Felicia?
What? You!
Now, we'll have at it.
let go of me!
You what? Time to go to sleep again.
No chance! You little... I'm wise to you, Batgirl! You're not even in Dimitri's league!
What? You little wart! You've ruined my plans once too often. I'll see that you never get another chance! I'm going to show you where they kept me for the last 200 years. I hope you enjoy the accommodations.
I'm sorry, Felicia.
Save it. Come on, I know where they're going.
How?
Cat sense.
What?
Cat sense. I can smell them. You see ley lines? I smell things. Come on.
Can't we talk this over? I've always liked you. Can't we just agree to part as friends?
Shut up!
Okay, shut up. Okay, shutting up is good.
200 years ago, a coven of white witches sealed me up in a rock below the surface of the North Sea.
Really?
Don't interrupt. Yes, I was sealed in a rock prison with only my thoughts.
And you're gonna do that to me? Seal me up in a rock?
No, Harry, that takes time and power I don't have to waste.
Good. Too bad.
I know it's not as romantic as being sealed in a rock, but I'm just gonna throw you off the cliff.
Wait! Can't we talk this over?
No.
Oh!
Now for the brat!
You! Stay behind me, Harry. I'll take care of her.
Of course you will, dog boy!
It's time we had a reckoning, foul sorceress.
Oh, sounds good to me. Make your move.
Alicia, wake up! Please!
What? Where are you? Fight fair!
Fight fair? Coming from you, Morgan, that sounds ridiculous.
Oh, don't be a prude, John. What have you got against evil?
This!
Good, but not good enough! This should hold ya! Try those on for size.
They don't fit. As you Scots say, time to pay the piper.
I prefer get out while the getting's good. So long, dog boy! You fool, we'll both fall!
As long as I take you down.
Oh no. John. John! John!
Alicia, wait up! Look!
Let go of me! I had them all. When I get my hooks on you, Dimitri, I'll make you eat that smug smile. I'll give you a flat top. You haven't heard the last of me!
Harry, they're in the sand. Is that
Well, he's wearing John Talbane's pants.
John? John?
Felicia, what happened to me?
This is the real John Talbane.
I'm sorry, Felicia.
Are you all right?
I'm fine, Felicia. I'm used to this. How are you, Harry?
I'm sorry that I caused all this trouble.
You didn't cause it, Harry. Morrigan did. We'll meet again.
Yes, and when we do...
Darkstalkers will return. And now, back to Darkstalkers.
Gonna be trouble, your baby and the man. Wanna rumble? How about tonight? They want a war, just let me fight. Gonna be trouble, baby, I'm a trouble man. Wanna fight or come on? Don't you understand? I give you double, baby, I'm the trouble.